archaeologists decided to do something radical. They cooked like Neanderthals. What they discovered while roasting birds with stone tools left them deeply unsettled. The experiment has forced experts to question everything they thought they knew about Neanderthals, and about what's missing from our history. For decades, Neanderthals were seen as rugged hunters chasing mammoths and bison. But new evidence suggests they were far more skilled, and far more human, than anyone imagined. In a study published in Frontiers in Environmental Archaeology, scientists recreated Neanderthal cooking, using only stone tools and fire. Their goal? To understand what the mysterious cut marks and burn traces on 90,000-year-old bird bones really meant. Those bones came from 2 cave sites in Portugal, places that once echoed with Neanderthal life. To test their theory, the team cooked 5 birds, crows, doves, and pigeons, the way Neanderthals might have done it. Some were butchered raw, others were roasted whole. The difference was astonishing. Raw birds left clear cut marks, sharp, obvious lines. But once cooked, the bones shattered. Over half of one roasted bird simply vanished during the experiment. Meaning, evidence of cooking might be disappearing from the archaeological record entirely. Even when burn marks were visible on the surface, the deeper bone cavities showed heat damage that wouldn't survive fossilization. The team realized something chilling. Neanderthal fire use and small animal cooking might have been everywhere, but left no trace. The tools told their own story. Microscopic scars revealed precise motions, slicing tendons, cutting joints, separating delicate meat. These patterns matched actual Neanderthal artifacts, proving they handled small prey with care and skill. And here's the twist: roasted birds barely needed tools at all. Neanderthals could twist, pull, and disjoint them by hand. The team noticed that large birds like crows gave less meat for more effort, while smaller ones like pigeons were faster to prepare and more rewarding. That means Neanderthals didn't just hunt what was available, they planned what to catch, balancing effort and nutrition. This wasn't just survival, it was strategy. One researcher even admitted, the pigeon looked rather tempting, but the real revelation wasn't taste. It was what the missing bones mean for archaeology itself. If cooked remains vanish, then our picture of early human behavior may be tragically incomplete. For every bone we find, hundreds may have burned, crumbled, or disintegrated long ago. Cooking renders bones extremely fragile, says lead author Mariana Nabais. That may complicate their identification. In other words, the more Neanderthals cooked, the less we'd ever know about it. The evidence paints a picture of intelligence, adaptability, and planning, traits once thought unique to us. By cooking like Neanderthals, scientists may have uncovered not only how they lived, but why we've underestimated them for so long. Sometimes the truth doesn't lie in what survives, but in what's been lost to fire. For more discoveries that rewrite human history, subscribe to LG News and stay curious.